Hi and welcome back to the vintage NECCHI sewing machines. In this video I will show you how to adjust the feed dog high. If you have some problem with fabric transport, it may be the wrong setting of the feed dog high. To readjust the feed dog high is a very simple procedure. I will show it by Lycia type 522, and the only thing you have to do is remove the plate in the front of the machine. Stitch plate stays in place, and I will show it what to do. First, turn your machine to the position that the treat level is in the red mark and the needle bar at the highest position. That means that the feed dogs is also in the highest position. I will turn the machine, you can see. Okay. This is the highest position of the feed dogs. These feed dogs are too low adjusted. You see this one is too low. What we have to do, we take a tool in metric dimension 8 millimeters and open this screw left. If this does not work, you can also use a tool like this, but remember 8 millimeters. Okay, and then it's very simple. Turn this little screw in there on the right direction and look at your feed dog. It will come up. You see it? Okay. Don't do this. This is too much. You can see it will move the needle plate. Okay, this setting here, like this, is absolute maximum setting. Tighten this screw very careful. Oops, maybe with this tool here, but very careful. That's enough. Okay, this is absolute maximum. Highest position. Okay. If you have this setting, you can sew some thick fabrics like denim and I don't know, sailcloths and something else. With the setting in the beginning of the video, you have to sew very thin materials. That's it. Machine is adjusted for heavy duty materials, and this is the maximum feed dog high setting you can do on a vintage NECCHI. I hope this was helpful, and I will do some other videos in further time. Bye.